Hi guys, I'm back with a new tutorial about a new stitch, and as you can see this is a fan stitch. This is a variation of a fan stitch because the fan stitch there are different variations of it, and I actually like this stitch a lot and I'm thinking to use it in some bags projects in the future. But first I wanted to put this stitch in my channel so everybody can learn. Okay, so let's just get into it. Okay, so for this stitch I am using 100% cotton. I will drop the link in the description box. And for this kind of thickness of cotton is usually is recommended 2 mm hook or 2.5, but I feel better with a 2 mm. Okay, so if you have another kind of yarn, then you just have to use the recommended hook for it. Okay, so let's just start. This is a stitch with multiple of 14. Okay, so first let's make a slip knot. And now we can just do 14 stitches for one section, and we can just multiply that with how many fan stitches we need. In this case I am going to repeat the pattern 2 times, so I will need 28 stitches. Here are 28 stitches, and because I will start the pattern with a double crochet, so I will need 3 more stitches to make the first double crochet. So we will add 3 more stitches. Okay, so these 3 stitches are going to be used as a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we will start like this: yarn under and carry, and we will insert the hook at the 4th stitch. Okay, and we will do another double crochet in the same stitch. For the next 3 stitches, 1 double crochet on each stitch. Okay, next I'm going to do 1 double crochet, but not in the first stitch, but in the second one. I will repeat this another 3 times. This is how it's going to look like. So we have 4 times double crochet, but always with one space stitch. For the next 2 stitches, 1 double crochet on each. The next stitch I will have 5 double crochet in 1 stitch. And now I will just repeat the pattern again from here. For the next 3 stitches, 1 double crochet on each. For the next stitch, 1 double crochet, not in the first stitch but in the second one, so we will leave 1 space stitch. We will repeat this another 3 times. For the next 2 stitches, 1 double crochet on each. And for the last stitch I will have a 3 double crochet in one stitch, which is kind of like the half of the 5 stitches that we do here. Okay, so next stitch, 3 double crochet in one stitch. So this is how it's going to look, the first row. Now let's go to the second one. Let's make 3 chains, turn around, at the next stitch, which is here, I will do 2 double crochet in one stitch, and together with the 3 chains are a half pattern of the 5 stitches. So for the next 3 stitches, 1 double crochet on each. For the next stitch, 1 double crochet, not in the first stitch but in the second one, so we will have a space stitch. We will repeat this another 3 times. So this is how it's going to look like. For the next 2 stitches, 1 double crochet on each. The next stitch, 5 double crochet in one stitch. For the next 3 stitches, 1 double crochet on each. Now, as you can see, we're just going to repeat the pattern from here, okay? And here we are just going to make this one, we're going to use it as a stitch. So at the last corner here, we are going to have in one stitch 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, at the third one insert the hook and make 3 double crochet. And this is how it is going to look like. So to turn the corner, I will just have 3 chains, turn around, and I will just repeat the same pattern that I did on this side again. So this is one variation of a fan stitch, which is a very pretty stitch, I think.
So if you like this tutorial, give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching!